practice substitution with variables. Let's say we're given the expression 2x plus 3. I can model that with 1x, 2x, 1, 2, 3. Now I've represented 2x plus 3. Now let's say we are told that in our expression, x is equal to 2. Well, that means that this has the same value as this. So I can substitute 2 for x in my model. When I substitute 2 for both x's in my expression, I am left with the expression being equivalent to 7. Let's look at another example. 3x minus 4. 3x. We'll start by modeling 3x. Minus 4 is the same as adding negative 4. So I can put 4 negative tiles. I've now modeled the expression 3x minus 4. If we are then told that x is equal to negative 3, then we need to substitute negative 3 for each x in our expression. And we are left with 13 negative tiles. So the expression would be equivalent to negative 13.